Dear friends, whoever is attended today's morning Toxic Loss Summit, first of all, I want to thank to each and every person. Now, on the request of the so many people and my 9 days Toxic Loss program people, we are going to have the 4 days special workshop on Heal Your Past by Miracle of Forgiveness. So this 4 days workshop is there now, and as you experience today morning, what is the level of this forgiveness and what transformation it brings. Now, if you are interested now, please understand it is starting from tomorrow itself. So without wasting the time, just with the just peanuts of the time. So this workshop actually will be happen around 1 hour 15 minutes every day for the next 4 days. Timing is 7 to 8:15 p.m. first, second, third, fourth May. And the benefits and everything, it's already there. You already experienced the some part of it. But if you are going to experience the full and you really want to deal with your past and you really want to create the miracle, please join this workshop. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Take care and bye-bye.